Now we are going to see integration by partial fraction. Integration by partial fraction method. In this partial fraction method, we have 5 types of partial fractions. See, in this first type is px plus q over x minus a into x minus b is equal to a over x minus a plus b over x minus b. Based on this, we are going to see each one problem. Now I have taken this problem, integral x square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. Now what is the method for this to solve this problem is put x square is equal to t. Put x square is equal to t. Therefore 2x dx is equal to dt. 2x dx is equal to dt. Now here see integral t into 2
ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಆದಾಗ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹೋಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್
Now this we take it as 1 over x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 into dx can be written as a over x square plus 1 plus b over x square plus 4. A over x square plus 1 plus b over x square plus 4. This is equal to what we are going to do. We are going to take x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 as the LCM. Now a into x square plus 4, a into x square plus 4 plus b into x square plus 1. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to multiply ax square plus 4a plus bx square plus b divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. X square plus 1. We have multiplied here. Now what we are going to do? We are going to, this is equal to 1. Now there is no x square term here. Therefore, we are equating the coefficients of x square. Equate the coefficients of x square. So that means to say, equating the coefficients of x square on both sides. Now as it is, you can see a plus b, there is no x square coefficient here. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 0. And now equating the constants. Equating the constants means here 4a plus b is equal to 1. 4a plus b is equal to 1. Now solving, now here a is equal to minus b. Shall I put a is equal to minus b here? So this becomes minus 4b plus b is equal to 1. Minus 4b, here already 4 is there. A is equal to minus b, minus 4b. So minus 3b is equal to 1. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now, we know that a plus b is equal to 0 or a minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So, a is equal to 1 by 3. Now, your integration comes like this. We can see here integral 1 over x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 into dx is equal to, a is how much value? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 integral 1 over x square plus 1 into dx. b is minus 1 by 3. b is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 integral 1 over x square plus 4 into dx. Now this is equal to 1 by 3 tan inverse x. Tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 here 1 into 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. See, this is the answer for this problem. So now we shall see the second problem. Here integral x over x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx is equal to, we are splitting it like this, a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2. We are splitting it like this, a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2. This is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2. I have taken LCM. And here a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Now here you have to multiply here. See here x is equal to ax plus 2a plus bx plus b. I have multiplied here. Ax plus 2a plus bx plus b. Now equating the coefficients of x. Equating the coefficients of x. Now a plus b is equal to 1. Now equating the coefficients of constant. Equating the coefficients of constants. Equating the coefficients of constant. What do you get here? 2a plus b is equal to 0. There is no constant on the left side. Therefore, there is no constant on the left side. Therefore, 2a plus b is equal to 0. We have taken. Now, solving the problem. See, I will take 2a plus b is equal to 0. 2a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 1. Therefore, subtract. This get cancelled. A is equal to minus 1. Now 2 into minus 1 plus b is equal to 0, or minus 2 plus b is equal to 0, b is equal to 2. See, a is equal to minus 1 we got, b is equal to 2 we have. Now integral x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx becomes, what is the value of a? A is minus 1. Minus 1 over x plus 1 integral dx plus, what is value of b? It is 2. 2 integral divided by x plus 2 into dx. Now this is nothing but minus log of x plus 1 plus twice log of x plus 2. Twice log of x plus 2, or minus twice log of x plus 2 minus log of x plus 1. Or this you can write it as log of x plus 2 whole square, log of x plus 2 whole square minus log x plus 1. Or we can write like this, log x plus 2 whole square by x plus 1 plus, see, this is the answer for the problem. Now we will see third problem. See here, it is of this type, second method. See, second method says integral px plus q divided by x minus a whole square is into dx is equal to a over x minus a over x minus a plus b over x minus a whole square, b over x minus a whole square. Now here, integral 3x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square into dx can be written as a over x plus 2. Are you following here? See, we have written a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 2 whole square. So this is a way to take. Now this is equal to x plus 2 whole square. Now 1x plus 2, 1x plus 2 cancel here. So you get a into x plus 2 plus x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square was, it is only b. Now here it is 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square with integral dx. Now what we are going to do, we will equate 3x minus 1 is equal to ax plus 2a plus b. Now equate the coefficients of x. Here, equating the coefficient of x means, what is value of a here? X coefficient is a, x coefficient is 3. Therefore, a is equal to 3. Next, 2a plus b is equal to minus 1, or 2 into 3 plus b is equal to minus 1, or 6 plus b is equal to minus 1, or b is equal to minus 1 minus 6, which is equal to minus 7. For b we got this value, b is equal to minus 7. Now we are going to substitute here. So here, therefore the integral becomes integral a. A is how much? 3. 3 divided by x minus x plus 2 into dx minus 7 integral 1 over x plus 2 whole square into dx over x plus 2. Now this is nothing but 3 log of x plus 2, 3 log of x plus 2 minus 7. This is nothing but x plus 2 whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, or 3 log of x plus 2 plus 7 divided by x plus 2 plus c. This is the answer of this problem. Now we shall start with fourth problem. Fourth problem is of the type integral px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a whole square into x minus b into dx is equal to a over x minus a plus b over x minus b whole square, x minus a whole square plus c over x minus b. This is the fourth type. This type we are going to see here. Now therefore, this I am going to write like this: x over x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 into dx is equal to a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 whole square. Are you following here? See, this is how we are going to see. C divided by x plus 2. This is how we are split. Now this is equal to, what is LCM? It is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. Now a into, x minus 1 cancel, you get x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square goes, x plus 2 you will get, plus c into x plus 2 cancels, x minus 1 whole square. See, this is how this. Now this is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to, we will multiply a into, if you multiply this, you get x square plus x minus 2. If you multiply this, you get x square plus x minus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into a minus b whole square, that is x square minus 2x plus 1. This is equal to x. Now I am going to equate each and every coefficient x square, x and constant separately. Equate the coefficients of x square, x and constants. How much we get? A plus c is equal to 0 because there is no coefficient of x square. So a and c, a plus c is equal to 0. Now equate the coefficient of x now. A plus b minus 2c is equal to 0. Next, constants. Minus 2a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Now what do we now have? A is equal to minus c. Therefore, wherever a is there, we will substitute minus c. So minus c plus b minus 2c is equal to 0. Minus here plus 2c plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Are you following here? A plus b minus 2c is equal to, I am sorry, it is 1. So it is, see here, minus c. Are you following here? A is equal to minus c. Here we have written here plus b minus 2c is equal to 0. Or here this is equal to b minus 3c is equal to 1. b minus 3c is equal to 1. Next, here 2c minus c minus 2a now, minus 2 into minus c is plus 2c, plus 2c plus 2b plus 3. So this becomes 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. Now we will add, this goes, so 3b is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by 3. Now here, substituting the value of b, b minus 3c is equal to 1. b is 1 by 3 minus 3c is equal to 1, or minus 3c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, c is equal to minus 2 by 9. c is equal to minus 2 by 9. Therefore, a is equal to minus c means a is equal to minus of minus 2 by 9, which is equal to plus 2 by 9. So now the problem comes like this. Integral x divided by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 into dx becomes, a is how much value? 2 by 9. Integral 1 over x minus 1 plus into dx. Here c, b is how much value? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 integral 1 over x minus 1 whole square into dx plus, what is value of c? It is minus 2 by by 9 integral 1 over how much it is, x plus 2 into dx. Now this becomes 2 by 9 log of x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into, this becomes 1 over x minus 1, this becomes, we will write it as now itself, minus 1 by 3, 1 over x minus 1 minus 2 by 9 log of x plus 2. So this is equal to, so this is the answer for this. So this is equal to 2 by 9 log of x minus 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Now we will see this problem. Integral 3x plus 5 divided by, see here I am going to take x square common. X square into x minus 1. Here minus 1 into x minus 1 into dx. Now this is equal to integral 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 common I have taken into x square minus 1 into x square minus 1. Again this is equal into dx. This is equal to integral 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 1, because this x square minus 1 is nothing but a square minus b square. X square minus 1 square, which is nothing but a minus b, a plus b into dx. Or this problem, now original problem, it becomes like this. You can see it becomes x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 into dx. Is it not of the type here? Same type you get here. So this is equal to what we are going to write, a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 whole square plus c over x plus 1. This we are splitting it like this. So this is how we are split. So therefore 3x plus 5 is equal to, now we will take LCM as x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Now this is equal to what? A into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. This is like this. Now therefore 3x plus 5 is equal to a into x square minus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x square minus 2x plus 1. We are writing it like this. Now equate the coefficients of x square, x and constants similarly. So equating the coefficients of x square, x and constant. Same as what we have done in the previous problem. Now here a plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to minus c. Same as what we have done previous. Next b minus 2c is equal to 3, because the coefficient of x is b, coefficient of x is minus 2c is equal to coefficient of x is 3 here on left hand side. Now equating the coefficients of minus a plus b plus c is equal to 5. So these are the problem. Now I am going to substitute minus a here c. So here plus C plus B plus C equal to 5 or B plus 2C is equal to 5. Now solving for these two, B plus 2C is equal to 5, B minus 2C is equal to 3. What happens? This get cancelled. 2B is equal to 8, B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4. Now here B plus 2C is equal to 5 or 4 plus 2C is equal to 5 or 2C is equal to 1, C is equal to half. C is equal to half. Therefore, A is equal to minus C, is it not? Therefore, A is equal to minus half. Now, therefore, problem becomes like this. Integral integral 3x plus 5 divided by x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 into dx becomes A is how much? Minus half integral 1 over x minus 1 plus B is 4 integral how much it is? 1 over x minus 1 whole square into dx. See, our problem leads to this. Here we are coming here. Plus of integral 1 over x plus 1 into dx. Therefore, it is minus log of x minus 1 plus 4 into this is how much? Minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus c plus half log x plus 1 or this is equal to half of log x plus 1 by x minus 1 minus 4 by x minus 1 plus c. Now, this problem, put x square is equal to t. 2x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, the problem becomes dt by t plus 1 into t plus 3, which is equal to a over t plus 1 plus b over t plus 3. So this is equal to, we will take LCM t plus 1 into t plus 3. A into t plus 3 plus b into t plus 1. Now equating coefficients. Now on left hand side we do not have anything, therefore 1 we have written. So 1 is equal to AT plus 3A plus BT plus B. Therefore A plus B is equal to 0, 3A plus B is equal to 1. A plus B is equal to 0, there is no coefficient of t here. Then 3A plus B is equal to 1 we have given here. Now A is equal to minus B, therefore substituting here minus 3B plus B is equal to 1 or minus 2B is equal to 1, B is equal to minus half. Therefore A is equal to minus half, which is nothing but plus half. Now the problem becomes very easy. Here you see integral dt by t plus 1 into t plus 3 is equal to half of integral 1 over t plus 1 into dt plus minus half of integral 1 over t this is equal to of log of t plus 1 divided by t plus 3 plus c. Are you following here? See, this is what we have done. Half of integral 1 over t plus 1 into dt minus half of 1 over t plus 3 into dt. So this is half log t plus 1 minus half log t plus 3. M minus n, log m minus log n is log m by n. Now we will replace t by x square. We have put t is equal to what? X square. Therefore this answer goes half of log x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 3 plus c. This is the answer for. Okay, now we shall see this problem. Integral x cube plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 into dx. See here, since the power of numerator, here it is x cube, is greater than the power of denominator x square. Therefore, by actual division you have to do this problem. So we have done this by actual division. If your problem comes like this: integral x cube plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 into dx is equal to integral x into dx plus integral 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 into dx. Now we will separately do it. I will take this first. Integral 2x plus 1 divided by a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. We have done into dx is equal to a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1. So now 2x plus 1 is equal to a into x plus 1, b into x minus 1, cross multiplication. Now equate the coefficients of x and constant. See, a plus b is equal to, what is the coefficient of x? It is 2. So a plus b is equal to 2. Next, a minus b is equal to what? It is 1. So a minus b is equal to 1. Now add 2a is equal to 3. Therefore a is equal to 3 by 2. Now a value you got it. Next, substitute in any one of this equation. A 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 2. Therefore b is equal to, transfer that to this side. 2 minus 3 by 2, that is nothing but half. So therefore your problem becomes like this. Integral x cube plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 into dx becomes integral x into dx, what we have written here, plus a is 3 by 2 integral dx by x minus 1 plus what is b value? Of integral dx by x plus 1. Now this is equal to x square by 2. Integral x dx is x square by 2 plus 3 by 2 log of x minus 1, this one, plus of log of x plus 1 plus c. That is the answer. Now we shall see this last problem in this unit. See, integral x over x minus 1 into x square plus 1 into dx. See, this is of the form px square plus integral px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c into dx is equal to a over x minus a plus bx plus c over x square plus bx plus c. This is how we make partial fractions here. So therefore, integral x over x minus 1 x square plus 1 into dx can be split like this: a over x minus 1, similar to this, plus bx plus c over, what is left over here, x square plus 1 we have written here. Now x is equal to, now cross multiply, a into x square plus 1 plus x minus 1 into bx plus c. Now what I am going to do, I am multiplying this ax square plus a plus bx square minus bx plus cx minus c. We have multiplied here. Now we are going to equate the coefficients of x square, x and constants. See here, x square, a plus b, there is no x square coefficient here, therefore it is equal to 0. And here minus b plus c is equal to 1 coefficient here. So next, a minus c is equal to 0. Now here a plus b is equal to 0, minus b plus c So here instead of A I am going to put A is equal to C. So B plus C is equal to 0 minus B plus C is equal to 1. So if you solve this, plus B minus B cancels, plus C is 2C is equal to 1, C is equal to half. Similarly, B plus half is equal to 0, B is equal to minus half. Now, A is equal to C, we have already seen here. So, A is equal to, C is equal to what? Half. So, A is equal to half. The values are now, A is equal to half, B is equal to minus half, C is equal to half. Now, we are doing it like this. Integral x over x minus 1 into x square plus 1 into dx. This problem will be like this. A is what? A is half integral 1 over x minus 1 into dx. What is b is equal to minus half. I am doing it like this. Minus half x. Minus half integral x over x square plus 1. We are splitting it like this. Plus c is what? Half. Half integral 1 over x square plus 1 into dx. See, minus bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. We have split this like this. Now this is equal to half log x minus 1 minus half into, here how to solve this? Put x square plus 1 is equal to t. 2x dx is equal to dt. Therefore x dx is equal to dt by 2. That 2 that is in the denominator of log t, log of x square plus 1. Log of x square plus 1 plus half into integral x square plus 1 into dx is nothing but tan inverse x it is. Therefore, final answer is half log x minus 1 minus 2 into 2, 4. 1 by 4 log x square plus 1 plus half tan inverse x plus c. That is the answer.